Knowledge will give you power, but character will give respect. Good morning, my dear online students. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. In previous online chemistry class, we have discussed about electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene ring and reaction with metals of haloarenes. Fitting reaction, Wurtz reaction, fitting reaction, I repeat, fitting reaction, Wurtz fitting reaction, and Ullmann reactions also read in previous online class. These are so important name reaction for your board examination. Next, chemical properties of haloarene is reduction. Very important reaction, reduction. When haloarene is reduced in presence of base and nickel aluminium alloy, then benzene is formed. So we can say that it is the reaction which used in formed benzene by chlorobenzene. Very important. So for example, it is chlorobenzene molecule reduced in presence of nickel aluminium alloy and base like NaOH. Then benzene is formed here. I repeat, when chlorobenzene is reduced in presence of base and nickel aluminium alloy, then benzene is formed here. Next chemical reaction, fourth type chemical reactions is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In halobenzene, presence of resonance CX bond has partial double bond character. So CX bond is smaller and stronger. We can say that carbon halogen bond in haloarene cleavage becomes difficult due to presence of partial double bond character. Therefore, haloarene is less reactive towards Ashen or nucleophilic substitution reaction than haloalkane. Very, very important. The reactivity order of different monohalogen derivatives towards Ashen reaction is aryl halide is less reactive than haloalkane and haloalkane is less reactive than aralkyl halide or benzylic halide. Very, very important. So, benzyl halide gives Ashen 1 reaction towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Because in Ashen 1 reaction, the intermediate carbocation or benzylic carbocation after cleavage of carbon hydrogen bond. So I repeat, because in Ashen 1 reaction, the intermediate carbocation is more stable due to resonance. So benzylic halide is most reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Very important. For example, halogen replaced by hydroxy group, OH group. When chlorobenzene, it is chlorobenzene molecule. When chlorobenzene is treated with NaOH in drastic conditions of temperature and pressure, here temperature is 623 Kelvin and pressure will be 300 atm. So after nucleophilic substitution reaction, phenol is formed here. During the reaction, Cl group is replaced by OH group. Now next, second type of nucleophilic substitution reaction is halogen replaced by NH2 group. Very important reaction. When chlorobenzene is treated with NH3, it is NH3 molecule in presence of cuprous oxide. Then chloride group is replaced by NH2 group in drastic conditions. Here temperature will be 475 Kelvin and pressure will be 600 atmospheric pressure. Here 2 molecules of ammonia and 2 molecules of chlorobenzene are involved. In 2 molecules, 2 bond from 2 bond and 1 bond between copper and oxygen. After cleavage of these bonds, 2 molecules of aniline is formed here. During the reaction, electronegative halogen is attached to electropositive copper atom. Then it removed cuprous chloride form. Now next, third nucleophilic substitution reaction is halogen replaced by cyanide group. Very important reaction. Similarly, chlorobenzene is treated with cuprous cyanide at 475 Kelvin temperature. Then cyanobenzene is formed here. Here 2 molecules of cuprous cyanide involved. Similarly, 2 molecules of chlorobenzene. After bond cleavage, cyanobenzene is formed and cuprous chloride is byproduct in the reaction. Now next, we take a question for exercise. Caution is the reactivity of haloarine towards Ashen reaction increases if electron withdrawing group such as nitro, cyano, carboxylic, etc. is attached to ortho or para positions or both positions of benzene ring. Why? Very important question. So, answer will be if electron withdrawing groups like NO2, cyanide, carboxylic acid, etc. are present at ortho and para positions of halogen in halobenzene. So, it is halobenzene molecule, it is ortho position and it is para position. We have discussed about ortho, meta and para in our previous class. So I repeat, if electron withdrawing group present at ortho or para positions of halogen in halobenzene or at both positions, then these groups attract electron density attract electron density of benzene ring towards themselves. Thus, benzene ring become more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, reaction is completed even under slow conditions. For example, when chlorobenzene is treated with base at high temperature in the presence of aqueous sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is chlorobenzene molecule treated with base. It is the part of nucleophile of base like NaOH, KOH, etc. So I repeat, when chlorobenzene is treated with base at high temperature in presence of aqueous sodium hydrogen carbonate, then no reaction between reactants exhibit. If nitro group is present in chlorobenzene at ortho position, then this reaction is completed at 400 Kelvin and orthonitrophenol is obtained. So, nitro group is present in chlorobenzene at ortho position. Then this reaction is completed at 400 Kelvin and orthonitrophenol is obtained. Here, chlorine atom is substituted by OH group. So, orthonitrophenol, ortho or 2-nitrophenol is obtained at 400 Kelvin temperature. If both the positions ortho and para have nitro group in chlorobenzene, then reaction is completed at low temperature or 370 Kelvin in same conditions. And here 2,4-dinitrophenol is formed. And if 3 nitro groups are present on benzene ring in chlorobenzene, very important caution. Picryl chloride. It is picryl chloride molecule. If 3 nitro groups are present on benzene ring in chlorobenzene, then reaction is completed at 300 Kelvin, mean very low temperature, and picric acid is obtained here after nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is picric acid. Its IUPAC name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Very important. It means we observe that in different conditions we observe that reactivity is directly proportional to number of electron withdrawing number of electron withdrawing groups. So, the reactivity of aryl halide towards Ashen reaction increases with increases electron withdrawing group at ortho and para or both positions. Very important question. Now next point is freon. Freons. When chlorine, fluorine are attached with carbon atom, the compounds formed are known as CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, which are known as by the name of freon. So we can say that polychloroalkanes are known as freons. These are non-toxic, non-inflammable, non-corrosive, highly stable, easily liquefiable, and volatile liquids. I hope you liked this video. We shall meet again tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.